into limp mode. We've got some kind of radiator problem.
What's the plan? Call it quits. We're gonna try to finish it.
Packing up for San Felipe 250. My favorite part.
Woo!
Am I nervous for the San Felipe 250?
Yeah.
No. I mean, it's nerve-wracking because it's the first race of the year, and you don't want to, like, if you're going for a championship like we are, you don't want to blow it in the first race, you know, so there's a lot of pressure. So we're just going to go down there and run a clean race, get to the finish line.
I'm excited. It's going to be
First time?
my first time, yeah, first score race, so I'm really excited. We'll start pre-running on Saturday, so the course file was released tonight, so we'll get to take a closer look here soon.
Let's go get another one of these bad boys, huh?
We made it, Justin.
We did make it. It's been a long day, but we're here. We're ready to go. Now it's time to unload the cars.
We should be able to leave Pete's camp, drive up to the Morelia Junction Road, go to race mile 190 or BFG checkpoint pit 1 or whatever is right there, and then go up into El Diablo, go over the mountains, come down the 5, and then straight back to that Morelia Junction Road, and we'll just jump back to here. Good day, high heat and deep whoops.
A lot of whoops, a lot of rocks. Yeah, it was a hot one.
What's up, Padre?
Mike and I are doing a quick alignment. So exciting stuff here.
New co-dog?
Nope, just doing some wiring. I couldn't do it, the job's too hard. Too big of a sissy to sit over here. I sat over here one time with Sean Malaban and I got out of the car and I said, I'm never getting in the passenger seat another one of these cars.
I'll sit in the passenger seat.
What's up? What's up? Huh? What's going on? Huh? What's going on? I like to party, bro.
I brought out the shades, okay.
Brought out the shades, now I can see better.
See you, Justin.
Not so bright.
That cheetah print on the side of them shades?
Oh, possibly. It might be. It might be.
End of pre-running, day 2, terrific day out here on the course. We're learning a lot about San Felipe. There's a lot of new sections, a lot of really long washes. We started at race mile like 260, went to the start, or the end of the race, and then started the beginning of the pre-running there, all the way down to here at about race mile 72-ish. Some of these deep washes out here are gonna blow some cars up, so we learned a lot about, you know, how to drive in these deep washes without overheating our car, and I think that's going to be the secret to success for anybody running in the pro stock class. We have to run a stock radiator in a stock location, so we just got to make sure that we're getting a lot of airflow to it, and that's what we plan on doing. Oh, definitely. You know, we wouldn't be here without SYLVANIA Off Road. SYLVANIA Off Road's a huge supporter of the community and desert racing in general, and we're proud to have them backing us. We're just ready to get racing.
Sounds like you're ready.
Yes, we are.
Well, best of luck to you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. See you at the finish line.
Yep. This is the end of our speed zone. Keep running. There you go. Straight into an easy left. Hard right. With several rocks, arms, and a VCP.
Race mile 5-5.
Race mile 5-5.
I said you're getting good at it.
Thank you. VCP around the corner into a medium right. Got it. Medium right, medium left. Medium left into a medium right with a series of rocks. Lots of rocks.
Move their engine up.
Medium right, down. Rocks. Easy right.
Oh, I can see that danger.
Lock medium. VCP hard, hard left.
Up here somewhere where we missed that turn, we went down the hill, remember?
Yeah,
Let's
stay
be
straight.
careful.
We'll be careful through here. I have a danger 200 feet right here at the bottom of this. Right here. Easy right, medium left. We're gonna want to cut right when you can. I'm sure it all leads around, but just in case.
The helicopter, so
Tempter 227.
must be a big team in the helicopter.
Yeah, I did. Okay, so we're gonna do a big medium left around here.
Star's getting hot, slowing her down.
Yeah, we're at 229. Medium left. Stay right. Keep sweeping medium left. Long medium left. Keep sweeping left. For a while, keep sweeping. Do a hard left. Medium right. Rock. Hard left. Medium right. Watch the rock. Stay right. Medium right around this corner here. Watch that rock. Medium right.
Engine's at 241, 245, something's wrong.
Our engine temp just hit 254 and the car went into limbo. Just a heads up. Can we pour water on something? Says 270. You want me to stay in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we're too far from you, Jesus.
You're less than 2 miles out from me. It's hard to get to him. He's in between a canyon and a wash.
We may not be able to get to you. We're going to try, but we may need someone to get something to us. John's diagnosing right now. John's going to try to take the front clip off and get in there and see where it's leaking.
All right, driving's not going to happen. It just immediately heats up to 230, like as soon as the car turns on. I'm trying to assess, but there's no pressure in the system now, so it's not leaking out of wherever it was leaking out of actively when the car was on. I can't tell where it's at. There's a chance that the hole is in the radiator, in the backside of the radiator, and it's hitting the fan, just spraying it everywhere. I just don't see any of these hoses. Like, the amount of leaking was a lot.
Or what's the plan? Call it quits? We're gonna try to finish.
We're not calling it quits. We gotta at least try to get this. I just can't tell what's leaking. I just can't tell. The race against our competitors is over. Now it's a race against the clock. We're at race mile 72 with 114 miles to go before the 9 p.m. cutoff. We have exactly 3 hours and 42 minutes to get there. That means averaging over 35 miles per hour through some of the deepest whoops San Felipe has to offer. It's a flat-out sprint to beat the clock. All right, good work, guys. That was awesome.
radio / chase crew. They're on their way to you. Copy that, boss. Media team is set and ready.
Well, today has not gone as expected, is to be an understatement, but the good news is we are using our Sylvania lights. So our radiator got a hole in it, so we had to wait in the desert for about 3 hours till our chase truck crew could get our pre-runner in there. We ripped the radiator off of the race car, took the radiator off of the chase car, or the pre-runner, put it on the race car. We didn't have enough time to put all the plastics and everything back on, so the only lights we have right now are our Sylvania pod lights and our 40-inch bar up top. We've been running in the dark for the last hour, and we're gonna have to run for about 3 more hours in the dark. Thank you, Sylvania.
Race mile 200. Left.
Here on car number 3939. How are you feeling?
Oh, pretty good. It was a rough day out there for us. You know, we were coming in, we were running with the top guys there at the beginning of the race, and the rock got in behind our radiator and played ping pong with our radiator and our fan, put a big hole in it. It took 4 hours to get the pre-runner in there and swap the radiator out, and that really cost us a lot of time. But you know, we're running for a championship out here, so we really wanted to make sure we got those finishing points too. It's so competitive. If you don't finish, you're not going to win the championship together. So we really only had our SYLVANIA Off Road lights to run. We're transpodging our 40-inch light bar for the last 3 hours in the dark. Thank God they work so good.